अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अंजुमन इस्लाम वली मोहम्मद दोस्त मोहम्मद पीर मोहम्मद उर्दू प्राइमरी स्कूल पुणे, अफसाना अहमद चाउश, स्टैंडर्ड 4, सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स, ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर्स, एंगल्स। Angles. This is a line. It is horizontal line. This is vertical line. This one is slanting line or oblique line. This is curved line. This is a line and this one is another line. Wherever we see two lines meeting at a common point, an angle is formed at that point. This is a common point of both of lines. And this is an angle. Look at this picture. We see angles between the ground and the slide. This is angle. This one also angle. There are so many angles. Look at this picture. The ladder makes an angle with the ground. Look at this tree. We see angles between tree trunk and its branches. There is an angle between the electric pole and the ground. Angles around us. We can see many angles in these pictures. There are different types of angles here. Right angle. We see angle between two adjoining sides of a window. It is a right angle. This is right angle. This is right angle. This is right angle. We see angles between two blades of the scissor. It is also a right angle. Examples of right angle. Look here. There are many examples of right angle. We can see everywhere so many angles. Acute angle. An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. This is right angle and this one is acute angle. This is smaller than this angle. Examples of acute angle. This is acute angle, and this one also is acute angle. Obtuse angle. An angle which is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. This one is a right angle and this is obtuse angle. This angle is bigger than right angle. Examples of obtuse angle. These are obtuse angles. These are obtuse angles. We can see so many angles here. There are three types of angles. Right angle, this one, acute angle, this is acute angle, obtuse angle, this is obtuse angle. Measurement of angles. This is a right angle. The measurement of right angle is 90 degree. This is sign of degree. 90 degree. This is right angle. This is acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. This one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. Look here properly. This is right angle. It is 90 degree. Acute angle is less than 90 and obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. Look at these pictures and find angles. Collect some pictures in which you can see angles. Mark those angles using a pencil. This is your homework. Thank you.